Ask Tom on Home Show.
Sarah from League City has a question about a car crash.
Well, a car drove into her garage, Tom, and kept on going. Caused her a little bit of trouble.
I see.
Yes. Sarah writes, it smashed through the brick and the walls. I've already had a plumber and an electrician come out. My question is, I'm looking for a contractor who can lay the brick, the drywall, fix the structural damage. What do you recommend, Tom, when looking to fix these things? Should I find someone who can do it all or continue down the same road?
Well, this is an interesting question. Yeah. No, and I can have a little joke like, oh, this must be part of the new infrastructure deal. That's a tunnel. But I'm not going to do that. Wait, I just did. The fact of the matter is, and this is what throws me about this question, Charlie, is you should have one contractor working with your insurance company, because I'm sure this is an insurance claim, and insurance companies, somebody in the car hopefully had insurance, the house had insurance. There's a lot of stuff involved here on who's going to pay the bill. But when that happens, then what you need is a contractor to work with the insurance company, put the house back to where it was, make it whole, as they say, make it complete, and let the insurance companies and the restoration company take care of all the dirty work. It's not up to the homeowner unless they have no insurance. If that's the case, I still would find one contractor to do it all, but I would not subcontract it out. Getting an electrician out, getting a plumber out, especially at this point, was probably a little bit of a waste of time because nobody knows what's really involved yet with the whole package.
Well, and that's a good point, Tom. I mean, the insurance thing in and of itself is there are contractors who will do things on insurance and there are contractors who won't. So
absolutely,
the first call when you have a problem like this is to the insurance company for that very reason.
Yeah, and their first call is going to be to the guy that ran into your house. Does he have insurance with his vehicle? So, I mean, there's going to be some legal stuff and some lawyers in the background if you don't. And I don't know many people with a house that don't, but there might be some. And if you don't, it's for the rest of you watching, this is why you have insurance. You never know when something like this is going to happen. And get a good insurance company. I know, Charlie, you've dealt with yours. I have the same as you. When it happens, my daughter just got in a car accident, and we have the same insurance on our homes and our cars. Those people were Johnny on the spot. It was done. She wasn't out any inconvenience at all. Just drop it off and pick it up, and the rent-a-car was there waiting for her. Yeah, so get a good insurance company.
There's no substitute for having good insurance. I think you and I have insurance through the same company.
Yeah, we're the same.
So
it's USAA. It's a military background. It's fine.
Right. You got a question? We'd be happy to help you out. Go ahead and click on that blue Ask Tom button. And Sarah, we have fun, but please don't. We're sorry for the damage, right? Even though we had a lot of fun with the question. All right, you can send us a written question or a video question. You fill out this form, include a picture like Sarah did, because it'll help us make fun of your problem. Help you with your. No, we jested a little bit, Sarah. You know what? If money can fix it, it's not a problem. So go ahead and get it fixed up.
I just hope nobody was hurt. I mean, no, it wasn't brought up in the question.
Me too. Okay. But I mean, from the looks of that, I don't think the car made it all the way through. So I'm probably...
Yeah, who knows? Might be on the other side. We don't know in the swimming pool. We only saw one side of the tunnel.
Do you have a question? And fill it out, send it in, because we love to post one of these every day. Honest to God, if you send us the question, we love it because we want to help you. And your question helps other people too. And that's why we post them every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and of course, at HomeShowRadio.com.